people who is also a noob on, I guess, anything. My name is Ceci and welcome to another episode of How to Cantonese. Well, you've read the title, so I know it's kind of weird to do this video. It's been over a year now since I've made the very first Cantonese tutorial, so I'm a year late for an introduction. Good job, me. Considering, I guess, many of you guys watching this channel already have like at least a certain level of Cantonese abilities. But just in case we've got some newcomers here who was like totally new to this language, know nothing about it, or if you just have some kind of uncertainty about this language, here's me trying my best to briefly introduce Cantonese to you in a totally professional manner. I'm a Cantonese expert. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? I don't know what that is. Cantonese, 廣東話, 粵語, or you may heard someone say 白話 or 廣州話. They are all the same thing. This language is mainly spoken in Macau, in Hong Kong, as well as some southern part of China, for example, Guangzhou. Well, that's why Cantonese is called 粵語 or 廣州話, because it's spoken in a place called Guangzhou. There are two layers of Cantonese. One being the conversational daily one that people are using, which we called 口語. That's just the casual way that people talk. On the other hand, we have 書面語, which is a rather formal way to express in Cantonese. This layer of Cantonese is usually used on news reports, as well as some formal situations like conferences. Both of these two layers can be written down as well as spoken out. If you're still confused, I'll just like make a graph here. If you're still confused, I suggest you can go watch one of my very old videos talking about written form in Cantonese versus spoken form in Cantonese. Self-promotion time! The rating system used in Hong Kong is called Traditional Chinese, 繁體中文, which in general is more complex and has more strokes than its brother, Simplified Chinese, 簡體中文, used in mainland China, or just basically all around the world except for Taiwan and Macau. Well, actually the whole traditional Chinese thing is not that closely related to Cantonese. It's just like people in Hong Kong use Cantonese and use traditional Chinese. So yeah, Cantonese has 6 different tones. With 3 extra sounds. Altogether we have 9 types of, you can say, variations in terms of the intonation part. My mom just texted me. Where were we? Yeah, 9 intonation in Cantonese. We call that 九聲六調. Again, for more details, please proceed to the very first as well as second or third video that I made over a year ago. You may ask why, like how important are the tones? Well, the tones determine the meaning of the word that you're saying. Same pronunciation with different tones produce different meanings. For example, C in the first tone means poem. Well, one of the character means poem, while C in the second tone means poop. So poems or poop. Poems or poop. I guess that's pretty much everything. This was a brief introduction of the language, which merely scratched the surface. So if you're really interested after hearing my horrible introduction, go watch more videos. Yay. Shameless self-promotion is shameless. Or if you are terrified, then I'm so sorry. Let's call it a wrap for this video. I hope you enjoy watching this one and find it useful. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if you have anything to say, like ideas, opinions, stuff like that, or just questions. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to this channel for more Cantonese tutorials. I also do vlogs and I draw pictures. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!